Standard 5th Maths Chapter 8 Multiples and Factors. Practice set 32. Write the following factors of the following numbers. So first question 8. So what they have asked, write the following factors. So यहाँ पे factors का मतलब क्या हुआ? Factor means by which table we can divide this 8. कौन से टेबल से हम 8 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं? So let's see 1. We can divide 8 by 1. Then 2 4s are, that means 2 and 4. So 3. In 3's table 8 is not divisible. So directly 4. And then 5 not divisible. 6 is also not divisible. 5 और 6 के टेबल में 8 नहीं आएगा. So directly now say 8th table. So factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8. ये सारे नंबर से हम 8 को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. Okay, let's see further. Factors of 5. So 5 is divisible by 1 and only 5. Then 14. 14 is divisible by 1. 2 7s are यानी 2 and 7. Then 3 नहीं होगा, 4 भी नहीं, 5 is also not there, 6, directly 7. Then after 7, 8, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so 8 is also not divisible. 9, 10, directly now 14 is divisible. So factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7 and 14. Let's see further factors of 10. So 10 is divisible by 1, 2 5s are 10, that means that 5 2s are 10 and then directly 10 1s are 10. Now factors of 7. 1 and 7 is divisible by only its own table. 7 सिर्फ अपने ही टेबल में डिवाइड होता है, किसी और के टेबल में नहीं डिवाइड होता है. सो factors of 7 is 1 and 7. Factors of 22. It is divisible by 1. 1 into 22. Then 2. 2 के टेबल में जाएगा. कैसे? 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 यानी 2 11s are. Then 3 नहीं, 4 नहीं, 5 नहीं. Directly now 11 and 22. Okay. Now 25. Factors of 25. So 25 is divisible by 25. Factors of 25. So 25 is divisible by table 1 and then 5 5s are 25. So since 5 5s are 25, we will write only 1 time 5 and then directly 25 1s are 25. So factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. 32. Factors of 32, 1, then last digit is 2, that means it is divisible by 2. See, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12. 2 into 16. Then 3. It is not divisible by 3. 4. 4 8s are 32. Then 5 not divisible. 6 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, not divisible. 7 8. Now directly 4 8s are 32, so 8 2 16s are and then 1 into 32. So factors of 32 are 1 2 4 8 16 and 32. Factors of 33. 1, then 3 into 11. So 1 3 11 and 33. 1 into 33 is 33. 3 11s are 33. So 33 is divisible by 1, 3 11 and 33.